Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create custom Shopify buttons with CSS. So it is really simple. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first what you need to do is simply head over to these three dots on top and click on edit code. Once you are there, you will be able to see that we have a complete backend code being shown up here, and this is going to be used for making customizations onto your front end section or your online store. Maybe you can search in here for or incorporate different buttons. You can see we have the CSS base.css file in here. You can maybe search for different buttons and add customizations to that as well. You can see we have our different buttons being shown up. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's how you can easily modify your buttons with custom CSS in Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.